Eagle.
Did you get that?
Every word. Our false gossip meme appears to have reached node lambda.
This is moving faster than we thought.
Agreed. It appears the rate of gossip transmission is proportional to the number of nodes squared.
Happy to join.
I must say, Amy, pretending to have intercourse with you is giving me a great deal of satisfaction.
네, 어찌 가야 되려요?
Slow down, Sheldon. I'm not quite there yet.
Hi, Joy. Hi. Hi.
Bernadette just asked about my sexual encounter with you. The meme has reached full penetration.
Unintended?
No, happy accident.
This is remarkable. Less than 24 hours.
I should let you know that she asked for details about our dalliance.
Interesting. So
Joy.
on the mere fact of coitus to a blow-by-blow, as it were.
Pun intended?
I'm sorry, what pun?
Not important. I described your lovemaking as aloof but effective.
I wish you hadn't done that. It's going to make me a cheat.